think about how my parents grew up in South Memphis. And when they were growing up, you had the doctor living next door to the janitor, next door to the teacher, next door to the lawyer. And it was a mixed income community naturally. And because you have that mix of incomes, you have a strong commercial environment. So you have the drugstores, the grocery stores, the cleaners, and the beauty salons. All those things are able to thrive because you have a mix of incomes, and that's part of rebuilding our community.
You're right. And also, it cannot be at the expense of displacing the legacy residents that live
Absolutely.
there. So it needs to be very inclusive. As you know, as the CEO of the Benoit Group, we develop, that type of housing.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty much whether it's affordable workforce housing in mixed use communities, and whether it's for rent or for sale, when some of the other amenities that come in, whether it's retail component, or any other ancillary services that can go in, that really creates a very pretty much a holistic environment for the residents that are living there. And but one of the key things related to these public-private partnerships is that government, um, the municipality, they really have to be willing to at least listen to what the developers have to say,
Mm-hmm.
which I've seen in many cities. You're having to go outside the box. The days of just staying within the box. I mean, a lot of these policies and regulations, are archaic,
Right.
and they really don't fit the environment or the world that we're living in today.